It really takes a lot of brain power, guys, just to take a video. But hey, what do I know? I'm just a silly girl. Hey guys, what's up? Sam here, back with another video. Now this video is not going to be like the other videos. This video is going to be pretty much a rant. Alright? Now I did a video a couple videos back about why the Pixel 2 was the worst camera I ever had on a smartphone. Now I particularly put the word "I" in the title to let you guys know that this is just my opinion on my experience with my smartphone. And a lot of you guys had a lot of things to say. There was a lot of hate on that video, as you guys can tell from the amount of dislikes to likes ratio. Now I think I'm a pretty tough-skinned girl, so stuff like that doesn't really bother me. In fact, I kind of found it quite hilarious, the comments that you guys were making on the YouTube page as well as on Google+, where I also put up a few posts as well. Now this video is just gonna be me pretty much reiterating what I said in that video that I did back then, and to kind of elaborate on that, and also to kind of address some of the comments you guys made on my post. All right, so to kick things off in this video, I'm just going to tell you a little backstory in case you didn't watch the previous video. What had happened with my Pixel 2 is that I originally bought it in November. I got it, I was like, oh yay, Pixel 2, best camera in the world on a smartphone, right? I mean, it has to be, it has the highest DxO rating. However, when I was using my camera, I took it up and I was, taking a selfie and was like, oh, this is okay, this is decent. I switched to video mode and it was just trash. Now the quality was just inferior to anything I've ever seen on a smartphone before. It was very blurry, it was pixelated, there was a ton of noise, it was zoomed in, it was just crap. I factory reset it, I flashed the firmware on it again, I went into safe mode, I erased the cache, the data from the camera app, I did everything imaginable. It just didn't work. All right, so I called up Google. They were like, okay, this might be fixing a couple updates. All right, so I waited 2 months, updated it, nothing happened. I was like, all right, you know what, I have to send this thing back. I sent it back, I got it back, and here is my brand new Pixel 2. Right, this is a brand new replacement from Google, the Google store. Okay, now it's the same thing, guys, same issue as before. It's just trash when it comes to the front facing camera, especially in video mode. Also, what I'm going to do to further illustrate my point, I'm going to switch over and use the Pixel 2 front facing camera, starting right now. All right, here you're going to see a bunch of clips that I took before, over a few days and during various times of the day, just to give you an idea of what this front-facing camera is really like in everyday usage. All right, now the reason why I originally did this video and the reason why I'm doing it again is to really spread some light on this particular issue that's been facing the Pixel 2 users. Now I am aware that the majority of you guys are not experiencing the same issues that I am. However, there are a few just like me that are experiencing these problems, and I went online and I found a few. As you can see, it's not just me. There are a bunch of other people like myself that are having the same fuzzy, noisy, blurry front-facing camera problems. So I'm not alone. I didn't make this thing up, guys. It's a real problem that exists. All right, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and read off a few of these comments that you guys so wonderfully left on my Google+ post. First one, did you use portrait mode? No, I did not use portrait mode. All right, it's a video. There is no portrait mode in videos. Secondly, you took a screenshot, not a picture. This is clickbait. Posting is not best advertising for your tech videos, just saying. I don't consider it clickbait if I'm telling my truth. I think it's the worst camera I ever had on a smartphone device. How is that clickbait? Did you click on it? Did you not? I don't know. How is that clickbait, guys? Your camera shows a shutter button and options on all your photos, right? LOL, fail post. What? So I actually took a screenshot of my viewfinder in video mode. I did this to just illustrate what I was seeing in the viewfinder once I switched to video. I didn't want to upload that whole video on Google+ because it does take forever. So that is why I just did a screenshot to kind of show them what I was seeing, and that was the point of this post. But some people didn't get it. They were like, oh, this is a screenshot, you idiot. It doesn't differ from what I'm trying to say. And I know that the quality of a screenshot is not the same thing as an original quality. However, it's not going to be that worse off where you can't even tell that it's a crappy camera. Next comment. I doubt they sent you 2 devices with a shitty camera. Another issue possibly, but this sounds like user error more than anything. Because I don't know how to take a freaking video with my smartphone. I am how many years old and I can't just like click a button and take a video. It really takes a lot of brain power, guys, just to take a video. But hey, what do I know? I'm just a silly girl.
You suck!
Next comment, guys. You bought a bootleg version somewhere. LOL. This is the best camera on any phone in the market today. Yup, google.com. They sell bootleg Pixel 2, guys. Be careful. Next comment. Idiot lies. Learn how to use a camera on phones. Get off this group. We don't need idiots posting this. So yeah, guys, this phone is not all bad at all. Even the camera is not 100% bad. Right now you're looking at the rear facing camera on the Pixel 2 and it's not bad at all. And as I said before, even the front and rear camera is not bad once you're in a well-lit area or outside where you have natural light. It's pretty good. It's just when you get indoors or in low light conditions, you see a lot of noise, grain, blurring, smoothing over of the face, stuff like that. So as I said, I do hope that this video will reach someone and, you know, hopefully it'll make Google become more aware of the problem and try to fix it instead of sending out defective devices like they have been in the past. Now, I didn't do this video in hopes of it being clickbait or anything like that. I'm just spreading my truth on the matter and I hope that it might reach someone else who's having the same particular issue. Just let them know that they're not alone in this regard. Alright guys, as always guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Dakoin and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Z.